P2TOG or purl two together is one of several ways to decrease one stitch in your knitting, and it looks like this. The second stitch from the tip here on the right needle was, I did a purl two together there. To do so, we simply purl 2 stitches together. The yarn should be in the front because we're going to purl, and this is how we do a regular purl stitch, but we're going to do 2 at the same time. So insert the right needle into the next 2 stitches on your left needle, wrap the yarn around, and then pop both of them through, and we have just turned 2 stitches into 1. Let's do that one more time. That's just one regular purl, and here's the purl 2 together. Yarn in the front, insert the right needle into 2 stitches on the left needle, wrap the yarn around and purl them together. And that's your P2TOG or purl 2 together.